So how difficult do you think it is to program a robot just like this one behind me to do some welding? Well, here at SISU, we developed a system that does just that very quickly and very easily. We know it's so easy and so quick and so simple that anyone can do it. So we've invited my friend Matt to come test out our robot control system called SISU. So Matt, thanks for coming to SISU today.
Yeah.
Do you know why you're here?
No.
Okay, great. How good would you say you are at programming robotic industrial welding robots?
The 0.
Great.
Negative. I don't know.
-5.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So what we're going to do today is give you a quick crash course on how to use SISU, our robot control software.
Okay.
And we're going to see if you can program this robot to do a weld.
Okay.
So Austin and Matt, how'd the crash course go?
I think it went well.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so 10 minutes of crash course on how to use SISU. Matt is going to write a welding program.
Okay.
So what Matt is doing right here is he's holding a SISU controller just like this one. It has this trigger right here, and when you grab it, it tells the robot to move in the motion of your hand. So it's almost like you're grabbing the robot, getting it into the position you want, as you can see Matt doing here. It has this joystick for very fine adjustment movings to get it. It's very useful for welding to get it into just the right position. Then once he gets it into the spot he likes, presses the button on the top, and that teaches it that point. So Matt's going to teach it a point along the weld. The robot and the software both know that it's a weld move, so it creates a weaving pattern along the length of the weld. Austin has already set up all of our welding parameters as he's our very experienced welder. So all Matt needs to do is teach it the points along the path and it's good to go.
It saved everything correct. Alrighty,
Okay.
you ready to run it?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's take a look. Very nice. First time welding?
All right. That's awesome.
Yep.
That's amazing.
Okay, so let's take a look at that weld that Matt did. Matt had never programmed a robot before and he'd never welded. We know that welders are hard to find and we know that programming robots are really hard to do. With SISU, we feel like we've married those two things very well, where you can take your own expert welders and teach them how to program these robots in just minutes. With SISU, you'll multiply your productivity and allow your business to grow without the need to hire anybody new. So give us a call today and we'll see if we have a system that's right for you.